Well, g'day folks, welcome to ZF49. This is a surprise edition. It's Saturday the 16th of March 2024 and this is absolutely the final video. Tomorrow we've got the all-forward day over at Geelong. Katrina and I are going and yeah, so looking forward to that. So I've been sort of just trying to fix up little things and whatnot, so there's still a few teething problems with the car, but nothing major. I've got to rework the rear tailpipes because they're knocking and you can hear them, they're vibrating. I adjusted them and I made them worse. I'm looking forward to the car show tomorrow, mainly for coupes, because I'm about getting sort of energized to start the coupe restoration series. And so I want to go around and have a look at the coupes because there's a lot of things that I don't know about them, like the door rubbers and how everything's fitted and you know, what sort of standard to shoot for. I think it'll be a very similar standard to this. Solid colour, which is the lime glaze, which is easy to spray in here or at the new factory. Yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. Hopefully I can catch some of you over at Geelong. That'd be nice. Come up and say hi. So that previous shot, when I first attempted it, I ran the camera over and it destroyed it. So that shot you've just seen is filmed on my brand new camera. It's done some damage. It's all broken in there. It's all broken around there. The lens is all broken. Yeah, she's destroyed. So anyway, this is the third camera. And for the third restoration, so it looks like I go through one camera per restoration. So this camera that I'm filming on is what I'm going to use for the coupe. This is my gorgeous. You can see her forwards.
That's what Gary Yells. That's right. That was that guy. Yes, watch that. I'll give you one of my faces. No, mate, we're nearly out the stuff. Brothers, Bob. When's your mum turn 50? I'm still living with the birthday. I was on the 45. That's what you can say. It's good to see that he's just like, yeah. He doesn't like, oh, I'm going to read on a roof. One of my favourite. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Simone's got the chrome strip that goes all the way through.
Okay.
It's a fair one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hey, I finally see you here. We were just talking about his the $47,000 GT. I know, what you're talking about.
Then they signed. Yeah, they just signed behind it. Yeah, you don't want to just love that car.
Hey, bud. Yeah, it's just were these screwed in or were they riveted in from factory?
Yeah,
From factory, are they?
like I think they might have screws on some of them.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of cars over there with
Yeah.
screws, and these, I see in here you've got rivets or screws
Yeah.
as well. How,
So, yeah,
are
so
they a
it's
mongrel
got-
to get on, or
No, not that bad.
they're
yeah.
okay? Yeah, because
Yeah, they just go onto the door. You know the metal frame of the door.
Yeah.
They just go on that.
Yeah. What's up the front there? Is there anything different up there? Do you
Yeah,
mind?
go. Whatever you need.
Yeah, I don't know what's on the car or what's missing and
Yeah.
what's.
No, I've taken plenty of photos myself of like all these other ones to make
Yeah.
sure this is like as close to what it should have been.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they were so different day to day, like
Yeah.
what came out of the factory. So
Exactly right. Oh, I appreciate this, mate. Are they the original bloody armrests, or
Yep.
are they?
Yep.
That's in good nick, mate.
yeah,
They're in good nick. Excellent. Yeah, it's mainly around the door that I'm concerned because I've got a gap which is almost like on the driver's door, about 8 mil.
yep,
It's way big. It
yeah,
runs down. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, so I'll have to have a look at it.
yeah. Just see if it's straight.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's
They're the original ones.
Yeah,
Yeah. No, whatever you need, man. Just
'Cause
take
I know-
photos.
Yeah, it's sitting in a container at the minute, and it's because it's so scruffy. You can't see the detail that you need to see. You know?
100%.
That's good. Yeah, it's mainly around the doors and in the boot. I'm curious about too. Did you do the bodywork?
I didn't do it. No,
Yeah, it's
no, I
bloody
had to
nice.
farm that out. It was just getting miles too
Yeah.
much for me.
Where do you stop?
Otherwise,
That's
I'd
it.
never finish it.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful, mate. You've done a good job anyway. It's a manual too.
Looks very nice, man.
Hey, Stu, hey Joe. Yes, I'll try and find Yeah, no worries. Well, I'll look at the date the other day.
That's why I said the same bottom.
The only problem is if we do white, darling, it's vinyl.
Yeah.
And there's not going to be any aircon. So you can do white sort of surrounds with the black border, yeah, the black insert, which looks pretty smart too. Do you like the green? Or do you like another colour?
He's got 2 boys. They settled down now. Doesn't matter. He goes 1, 2, 3. It is amazing. What colours are RS on this latest stuff? What is it? The poster of this whole event? Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll come back to the front. Yeah. That's okay.
Once you get it on boost.
You go to that tip, because at the end of the day, if I put the leak in, just run
There's my gorgeous. So we're coming back from the All Fords car show at Geelong. Been a beautiful day and nice and relaxing actually. Heaps of cars. Just drives so beautifully, it's just so comfortable. Steering wheel, there's no vibrations, it's just fantastic.